See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, everyone. The 2027 election campaigns has officially started. So we are in campaign season, and you can actually ask for people to vote for your candidate. My candidate is Mr. Peter Obi. So I'm saying to you, please vote for Mr. Peter Obi of NDC for the presidential seat of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is someone that is, at the end of the day, going to work for the people, who has empathy, who is courageous, who is patriotic, who has competence, character, capacity, and going to do a whole lot. You will be seeing me, maybe not as often as you used to see me before, talking on different issues that are happening now from this time to January. Every of my conversation is going to be around the election, and election more. And so please, as much as possible, put out the questions that you would want me to address or answer, or any of those things. But one of the things that I want to say to every one of us is this: let us sit down, right? Nigeria, it is not prayers that we will use to solve Nigeria's problem, because God has given us everything to be a great and amazing nation. We are the ones that have refused to do that. And God will not do for us what he has given us the capacity for us to do for ourselves. We have to put in the work. And I can tell you for one thing, the northern part of Nigeria, I'm so excited about what is going on there. The number of things, that are happening there, and a whole lot, lot more. There is excitement about the candidacy of Mr. Peter Obi. There is an awareness of, people want to do right by themselves. And they want to choose themselves in ensuring that they get someone who is going to give them the best. And people are speaking out. People are holding their leaders accountable. They are not just keeping quiet. I was speaking to a friend earlier, and I said, look, for the first time that I've seen, in the northern parts of the country, they went after the Sultan of Sokoto for, when they said he had made comments about people should vote Tinubu and APC again. It was brutal. He had to come out to say, no, he did not make that statement. He did not ask anybody to vote anybody. He's father of all, and anybody that wants to vote, they should vote whatever. It says so much. They're calling out their madams, who usually will come out and say, oh, vote for this one. You are in bed with these people. They are giving you people billions to build mosques. You are telling them to go and vote.
Upload your products and services on findandnow.com so that people go they buy from you. Plenty.
There was federal Libya. When Adam Soshomole was there, he was using our own Edo State money to do those roads and for Edo people. Now, when you put money to do that, I've seen several governments that has done that. They cope their money back. If I were him, all I need, if I put 10 million there, I will claim 20 million from federal government.
You're a thief.
If federal government know they will not pay, why would they not come and do it? They will pay. You make profit out of something.
You are a thief. Simple.
Easier said than done. It was so easy to say, and he thought he would have everybody that work in the Federal Ministry of Works, work in federal government, will be in his own mental state, as dull as he is. Now he got to power now, everything has turned around. His eyes have been turning. As I talk to you now, the only hope that Bebolo has is that he has now mobilized his attack dogs to go on social media and begin to redirect the responsibility of whatever is befalling Edo, as it were, as it regards road construction network or road transportation network, to the federal government of the same Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he has spent the last 2 years hyping, eulogizing, as it were, and then said that it is the responsibility of the Minister of Works, Engineer Dave Umahi, to fix federal roads. That's what he has now anchored on. That's what he has rested on. His failures, he's trying to, of course, it is difficult for him now to blame the previous government. You're almost 2 years in office. You do not have that right, that liberty to do that level of stupidity, to blame the previous government. Because we ask, what was your plan? What are you prioritizing? What is the focus? But you spent a whole lot of time dancing, rolling, saying rubbish in public place, and misdirecting a government without a focus. Oh, you kept saying that you were getting money from federal government. What were you doing with the money? Exactly. All of this, like you said in Osun, going to Federal Executive Council meeting, what has it benefited? If all access roads into Edo State are not still being fixed, when we have an APC-led government that you said is your father, when are we going to ever enjoy the APC robust nature or showing us love? Right now, you are saying, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing videos of your attack doors, and it looks very coordinated. You can't
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store, and Google Play Store.
All right, so this money was just brought to me now. This is $50,000. Somebody had promised to give me this money when he saw what I was doing in China. He said, Verydarkman, I'm going to support your business because I believe in what you do. So today, they brought this money. Now, while I was expecting this money, there's this particular boy on Instagram. He's a very creative boy. I saw his page some months ago, but because I was busy, it escaped my mind. Until recently, Triple U, my friend, sent me the boy's page. I knew then and there that that boy, this money was not for me. And part of this money is meant for that boy. Now, I'm going to display that boy's work on the screen so that you see why I want to do what I want to do.
Download Find Am now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.
Nigeria is poor today because of the productive country. Somebody came here and talk about hunger. Yes, today, Nigeria is one of the hungriest countries of the world. We got worse in the past 3 years, where we now move from where we are to 109 in the hungriest country. Some of you might not know that in the past 2 years, Ukraine that is at war gave us grain to fight hunger. We are hungry because Nigeria is not a productive country. If we decide today to invest in critical areas of development, which include pulling people out of poverty, by investing in agriculture, we can make more money from agriculture than we make from oil. Countries are doing it. And I'm going to use 1, 2, 3 countries around us to show example. Today, our most stable food is rice. Nigeria produces less than 10 million tons of unmilled rice. A tiny country like Bangladesh produces 60 million tons of unmilled rice, almost 10 times what Nigeria will produce. Bangladesh side is 148,000 square kilometers. That is the size of Bangladesh. That is the size of our 2 biggest states. Niger State at 76.3 and Borno at 70.8. Put together is 147,000. So these 2 states are about the size of Bangladesh. And Bangladesh has 170 million people. Is heavily dense. So we have to face. Today, we are having problem with Borno State because we have Sambisa Forest. Sambisa Forest is a land occupied area of 60,000 square kilometers. That's 3 times the size of Israel. Israel is exporting food. Israel is 22,000 square kilometers. If you take it by 3, 66. We have one state that is this thing. We can produce food. But people don't want us to produce food. We can go on and on. Ethiopia is exporting tea, coffee. Everybody, Sierra Leone, small countries. We have Taraba, 54,000 square kilometers. We Mandela that can produce tea. Nobody did that. We are going to share our.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, Go and search for it in findamnow.com.